Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use the verb there be. This is how to say haber in English. I'm going to show you the affirmative, negative and interrogative forms of this impersonal verb. And now, let's get started. In the affirmative, you have two possibilities. There is and there are. You can use the contractive form there's in the singular, but never in the plural. You can repeat after me. There's. There's. Let's explain it through different examples. So the structure is there is or there's plus a singular noun. It is the same with an uncountable noun too. There is a boy in the street. Don't forget to use the article in front of a singular countable noun. Again, there is as a singular noun. In this case, as the noun begins with a vowel, the article must be an. An apple. There's an apple on the table. In this example, the noun is uncountable, so the verb must be there is again. There is water in the fridge. Now the structure has changed because we have plural nouns. Then we use the verb in the plural, like this. There are plus plural noun. Be careful because, as I said before, there are has no contractive form. There are 2 chairs in the bedroom. And the same happens here with the noun boys. There are 3 boys in the street. Or here with the plural noun apples. There are 4 apples on the table. Up to now, we have studied the affirmative form. Let's have a look at the negative form. The negative is made up by adding the adverb not to the affirmative, either with a singular or a plural noun. Contractions are very common. We usually contract the verb and the adverb like this. Is not becomes isn't. Are not becomes aren't. There isn't and there aren't. You can repeat after me. There isn't, there aren't. Good. We use there is not as a singular noun, as in these examples. There isn't a boy in the street. There isn't an apple on the table. Or, there isn't water in the fridge, with an uncountable noun. On the other hand, this would be the structure in case we use a plural noun. There aren't plus plural noun, as in these examples. There aren't 3 boys in the street. There aren't 2 chairs in the bedroom. Or, there aren't 4 apples on the table. Finally, we are going to study the interrogative form of verb be. Again, we can have a singular or a plural noun. To form questions, we put is or are in front of there. So we use is there plus a singular noun or uncountable noun, and are there plus a plural noun. Let's see some examples. Is there a boy in the street? Is there an apple on the table? And with an uncountable noun, is there water in the fridge? In the plural, we can say, are there 2 chairs in the bedroom? Are there 3 boys in the street? Are there 4 apples on the table? We have come to the end. We have studied the affirmative, negative and interrogative forms of the verb there be. I hope this helps you understand there is and there are. My advice is for you to watch the video and stop at any point to understand the different structures. Don't watch it just once. You must watch it more than once or twice to understand it completely. Thank you for your attention.